So welcome guys again. Let's start to design this complex part design in your Catia software. So actually it is a ring front view and this is a isometric view of this model, and at here we can see that textual or additional or values are given at this. So let's start to design this part in our Catia software. So first of all, open Catia software, go to start, go to mechanical design and part design. Give name whatever name you want. As usual, hide this all plane because we are not using this plane to create our structure. And create one axis system. So to create this axis system, create one point here. This act as origin and insert axis system to this point. And let's start to design this part. So to design this part, you have to go to the sketch position first and you have to choose. We are choosing this ZY plane. To contest this, orientation should be parallel to this line. And let's start to design this section view on this. So first of all, create a line here. Dimension for this line is from here to here. It is given as 230. So give here it's 230. From center it is presented here. You can see. Let me click some. Make it zoom to this. From center this line is presented for 70 distance, so half this or 70 distance is come here is 235. Let's start to create this next part, and here we can see detailed diagram of this arc is shown at here. First of all, we have to create one vertical line here, and then change as tangent arc here from this, and create some more display structure here. And let's start to do dimension to this. For income here, and this is 509. So for distance from this to this, we have to match this 509 means half of 509 is given. And for this step is 523.5. So click on this top surface of this. Now click to this. Here it is mainly given as 523.5. 5 inch speed half. Now it is coming like this structure. And this circle radius is given here. Diameter is given actually. So radius it is coming as 4. And also here we have to create one fillet here. radius value is 3. Now let's move to our next part. So here you can see this next what you have to create, all is given here. So to create this, first of all we have to create this line, create another line here. This line is vertical and also tangent to this circle. Make this first of all vertical line, and here you can see make it zoom. You can see here you can see it is vertical line tangent to this 3 4 5 4 5, and distance for this given as 7.25. Now create one arc here. So to create arc, fly out to the circle tab and click first of all this side 1A, this side second A, and this side to here. And take this circle something here. Same for this arc here, and value for this is 3 4 5. 3 3 4 5.45. Now make sure this arc is tangent to this line. Now let's start to create the next part for this. Also the value for this line is we have to do as 204.9. And let's start to create here one spline, which is here you can see this spline which is use a 5-point dimension to constrain the spline 1 2 3 4 5 9 dimension. Then use a 5-point dimension to constrain the spline. To start to create this spline, which is 1 2 3 6 points. So go to spline command here from this profile tag, select this upper first, which is coincident to this is second, this is third, this is fourth, this is fifth, and this is somewhat sixth. Now let's start to do dimension to this from this axis. So make it somewhat end, so here to here it is given as 203.5. This to this 203.5, and for the next spline value is 199.7. For next is 191.3. For next is 174. It's this 174. This last we have to create this vertical value is given is, so make it vertical here. Value for this is 25.5. Now you start to do next dimensions. make it align it is perfectly. It's 204.9. And this point is present from center, it is 115. So Q from center it is present at 115. Make this properly aligned. Yes, now this is perfect. Make it zoom out. Let's start to next. Now also take from this to this dimension is 230. Now this should be aligned. So to the value 0. Let's start to do next dimensions. Take some more here. Here you can check at this bottom. So from the center it is present at 130. This vertical axis to this dimension is 130. Now make one vertical line from here and coincide to this. Next we have to create here one line here, somewhat inclined to this line. So to create here one line somewhat like this, and create here one arc. Create this like arc, and this arc is tangent to this line. The value for this arc is here given as 40. What is this? 40.125. And create one another arc here. This to this. Make sure tangent to this both. This arc and this arc should be tangent. And take arc center of this is somewhat here. Now you dimension to this edge. Dimension for this arc is given as 229. Also this to this distance is given as 30. Select this value of this is 38. Make sure this line should be bound from this and this should be tangent. Now this line we don't want tangent, so undo these operations. Go to quick trim, just simple trim here and trim these unwanted lines. Now you can see some dimensions are completed here. Just we have to complete this sketch. So to create one horizontal line here, just close this part. Now you trim here, trim this unwanted line. Now come toward this upper part. So here you can see a detailed view at top. We have to create this like structure here. So we have to create one circle here. To create one circle here, diameter is given as 8. And distance between circumference of this to this is given as 214. And now create one line here which is tangent to this circle. Create somewhat upper side to this part, also tangent to this circle. Make this line to here. Tangent this circle to this line. And create another line which is tangent to this and passing to this. Now use quick trim here. Just this trim command. Now use quick trim and delete these unwanted lines from this. And create one corner here. Give the fillet value for this corner is 3. And also we have to create one fillet here also. Having radius for this fillet is 1. Give dimension to this line also, so it can be fully functional. Now go to trim here and select this part. Now give dimension on this horizontal axis to this line. so it can be fully constrained now. Now just check, make this as reference purpose use only. Now just check this all 2D sketch is fully constrained. Now it is this 2D sketch workbench, and here you can see the all points are white points. It means that this full sketch is fully constrained. If some black points are come here, then we can say that this constraint is not fully constrained. Here are some open profile. Make sure this sketch is created only in part body. Make sure you are in a part body define work object. And now use shaft command here and select this as 2D sketch, and section and axis we have to be as this y axis. Make sure your value is 360. And now you can see this part is created. So in this video up to here we can take, and next video we can make this spokes part for this build. And so see you guys again in next video. Welcome guys once again, and let's start to design these spokes for this filtering. In previous video we have done this part up to this. We have used only one shaft command here, and let's try to create this spokes part. So go to this sketch, and here you can see this spokes part is created like this. So let's start to create this spokes. To create this spokes, actually we have to insert one body here. So insert one body and give name to this part as, we're giving name to this part as, and make sure spokes is in our current defined work object. And let's start to design this part. So first of all we will change some lightning here because so much lightning is coming to this part. And to create this, go to the sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here, projected point is this, orientation should be parallel to this line. Sorry, parallel to this line. And let's start to create these spokes here. To create these spokes, first of all we have to create one circle. First of all we will zoom this part so we can see clearly. We have to create one circle and diameter value is 54, and it is coincident on vertical axis. Change some lightning here, some lightning is coming. Now it is perfect. This should be coincident to this circle, so select this circle and this tangents here. Now it is perfectly aligned, and we have to create two arcs here like this and this. To create arc, go to profile tab and select this circle tab layout. Create this types of arc here like this and this, same in this other side also. And dimension for the boat is 2420. Actually it is not radius value, it is diameter value 2420. Now press OK here and make this line arc is tangent to this circle. This also tangent to this circle. create this arc, some different is coming. So to create this, we have to create first of all one circle here. To create one circle, this circle should be different purpose. So click this construction element also. Select this at center. Create up to this and give dimension for this as 509. Yes, 509 diameter. Create one point here. So to a point, create point here somewhat. Give dimension for this point from this vertical axis is 82.5. 82.5. This should be aligned to this. Make it concentric. Now you can see this is aligned properly to this part. Now same arc we wanted on the side, so click this arc and select mirror command here and select this vertical axis. Now you can check this part is created. Just have to close this sketch to make our next part. So first of all, go to quick trim here and untrim this inside circle and go to this profile tab and this circle command and go to this last arc command and select the center and this origin and create from this to this, but before that make sure to uncheck this constructions because we want this as original line which we use at next part. And next we have to create, just we have to trim this, we don't want this and this also. Now you dimension to this. Now you can check this fully constraint sketch is created here. Adjust this to the sketch workbench from here and now use pad command to this. Take from here to here the distance, move from here to here, and actually distance it is 230. So here we have to choose something 230 value. Increase this again, make it 2 here. Now again go to this more part, decrease from this, take this is up to 210. Now make it view here. Let's check up to where it is coming. Just press OK. So we want up to here. So again select this pad, decrease this side value. It should be covered up to this circle. Here you can see it is covered up to this. Now press OK here and check on other side also. Now it is perfect. And now just only one thing we have to do. We have to take pattern for this. Here you can see pattern for this is created here, which is it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 days we want to this side. So to make 7 part of this same, go to rectangular circular pattern here from this transformation tab and make sure current solid is chosen as this part and parameter here is to be complete count and we want 7 of this. Reference direction is y. Do you check here? Now check how much are created here. 1 2 3 4 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So next we have to make this as we just have to right click to this box and go to this box object and select here remove on this part body. Now you can check this part is also removed. Don't worry about this part. We can create this part once again. So to create this part, once again go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here and projected type as this. Orientation should be parallel to this in axis. Press OK here. Now create two circles here. One is like this and somewhat this, and make this one circle should be coincident to this for the same distance we want. The second also coincident to this outside circle. Now edit this to the sketch workbench from this. And now use pad command for this. But before going to pad command, yes, now use pad command here. Decrease this value some. Preview here. Now you can check this part is created. Just decrease some value once again. Now make it view once again here. Select here as 220 value and now make it view. Now press OK here. Now you can check this field is created completely. And once again we have to create a next pocket command to here. So to create this, once again go to sketch positioning, select this ZX plane here, origin projected point as this origin, orientation should be parallel to this, make it reverse this off. Let's start to create this part. Here you can see to create this part, we have to create one inclined line somewhat like this. Also some inclined line we have to create. This like structure we have to create here. And this fillets value we are giving at last only. And make sure and give angle between them. Here it is given as 7. So on the center this angle it is come at half of 7. It is 3.5 something. On this also make this somewhat inclined like this, or else delete this. First of all you will give these dimensions From here to here, dimension for this is 100. From this to this center dimension is 125. And angle we have to do from this to this angle is 3.5. This to this is 3.5. So from this it is come as 7. And from here to here, this upper dimension is given. This is as 22. Make this center align. This which is symmetrical to this vertical axis. From here it is come at half of 22. Now this sketch is fully constrained. Now the sketch is to the sketch workbench. From here, just use pocket command here. Make it reverse to this direction and increase this value up to 20. Let's start to create this next part. So here you can see this part is this material is removed by using this pocket command. Now we can give fillet value to this. Fillet value we have to give here as 5. So go to fillet, select this as first and this as second and this as third and this as fourth. Now the fillet value we have to do here as 5. Do here and press OK. Now this exactly sketch we want this other side also. So to create this, select first of all this pocket command and this edge fillet also. So press and hold this control button and select this edge fillet also and use a rectangle pattern here. Make it yes here. Some more warning is coming, so don't take serious about this warning. Now its reference element direction is Y. Make sure this instant values to be complete count and this instant value is same. Now make it blue here and press OK. Now you can check this exact sketch is created on this other side. So the last remaining part we have to create only this hole. So in next video we can create hole to this part. So see you guys again in next video. So welcome guys, and let's start to complete this assembly. And previous video actually we have completed this part up to here. So the last part we have to make like this features part we have to add to this wheel train. So the features means these holes we have to create here. Here you can see these 4 holes, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes we have to create on this wheel train. So actually it is counter board hole. At this side you can see this section of E. So let's start to create this on this. So first of all, make you are in a hard body define workbench. Now go to hole command and select this face. and go to position sketch here, and let's start to do dimension to this. So actually you can see here, so to create this hole, we have to create one pitch circle diameter. So let's make some more. Here you can see a pitch circle diameter value is given as 150. So let's start to create one circle here. Again go to mode, select this piece. And now go to position sketch here. Now create one circle, take this as center here, give dimension to this as diameter 150. Here you can see the pitch circle diameter value is 150, and make this circle centricity to this. Now we want this hole on this somewhat side. To click on this, select this and this, and make it coincident here. Also take vertically distance also for this. Now you can check this hole is fully constrained. It is this 2D sketch working for this hole, and check what is value for this hole. So this value you can see, and this side. So actually hole diameter is 20 here. So give here diameter is 20 and make it up to next here. And now go to type and select here counter board from this, and diameter for this counter board is 40, depth for this is 20 from here to here. So what we have to do, we have to check value this. We can give up to 15 and check it's correct or not. Let's go to measure between and select this face and this face. Check the value, it is come as 15, but we want here as 20. So we have to make some decrease some value. So we can go to this hole, decrease this value, give here 10 value. Now make it 2 here, and now check. Now again go to measure between, select this face and this face, and now you can check the value is come at 20. 20 means somewhat nearby 20. And now exactly this hole we want 4, 5 holes exactly like this, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to create these 5 holes by using this origin feature, go to circular pattern here, make sure to select current solid as this. Direction we are giving as this y-axis, and make it here complete ground, and extent we want at 5. Put here, and now check. We have created this hole, these 5 holes by using this simple circular pattern here. And now you can see this exactly part we have created in our Catia.